I'd like to share a continuation I wrote for Melodic Motion Etude number 15. There's a Guitar Club lesson video on that one. I'll put a link to down in the description. If you haven't yet done so, I'd be happy if you'd subscribe. Please like, share, leave a comment. If you'd like to leave a tip, I have a PayPal information down in the description below. So we're going to carry on with some 5 1s here. This will be C sharp 7 with 2 inversions moving to F sharp minor. So 5 1 in F sharp minor. So this is G sharp, E sharp, 6th fret, 4th and 2nd strings with some melodic pitches above. 6, 7, 9, 6 are the frets. E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, E sharp. And when we come to that G sharp, we're going to have a 10th. So we're going from 6ths to 10ths. And that's going to play a big part throughout. That's the mechanism right there. If we move it up a half step, we have F sharp minor in 2 inversions. So this is 7 and 7. We change melodically the intervals above. So from 7, 9, 10, 7. But we still go from a 6th to a 10th. Now up a whole step. Hope you hear E7 here. Same mechanism. This is 9 and 9, B and G sharp, strings 4 and 2, frets 9, 10, 12, 9, and we go from a 6th to a 10th. We can lift that up. Now we have to change because we're going to try to conform to a key. We could have just kept on going with the exact same pattern, but we wouldn't have established the sound of a key so much. So here's our change of shape. Rather than having something straight across, we're following the chord scale, and now we have to have C sharp and A. Very nice move for A major, or for a major chord. This is the 3rd and the root, frets 11 and 10 on strings 4 and 2. A whole step above is B, 12th fret, splitting to a 10th. This is A and C sharp on strings 5 and 2, frets 12 and 14. So we went from... Now we're going to approach B minor by way of F sharp 7. Here's the root. I think you can hear that. 11 and 11. C sharp, A sharp with a B. It's a 6th. And as we get up to B, C sharp, we're going to go A sharp in the bass. Same as we've been doing. Now B minor, same exact fingering. 12 and 12, but with maybe an adjustment melodically to fit the key. So from a 6th to a 10th. 12 and 12, 14, and then 14 and 15 on strings 5 and 2. And now we're going to back down. I'll start from the up a half step, up a whole step to A. Now we're going to drop down to E7, A. So we're just backtracking. F sharp, E, C sharp, and finally F sharp minor. If you want more like this, see Melodic Motion Etude number 15 and also the Guitar Club lesson on that. I'll have links in the description below. So you can, let's see what happens. So you get some stranger sounds, but it worked for a while. I was just going for it without planning. Hope some of this is interesting to you, of use in your own playing. Start thinking in these chunks. Start trying to take things and move them throughout the key and get these different fingerings. I hope this finds you well, enjoying your music, and I wish you a very good day.